it's really cute. I like it. I like how it turns out really cute with the flowers. Anyways, so this is a 3 envelopes. I think it was for the envelope size was 4.5 by 5.5. I had those envelopes for so many, I think for 2 years now, and today just use it for a flipbook. You need 3 envelopes, pads, glue, ephemeras, or anything that you want to embellish, and a ribbon. If you don't have a ribbon, you can use a string, like a little thick string, just to, so that it's not quite open. And then this, I made a little mistake, but actually I really wanted to put this side, like this thing, because what happens is if you don't add a little bit of this when you close it, it's gonna be like this, and when you add a lot, this one could actually burst. So at least this one, and it's a little better looking than having that. Anyways, let's take a look what's inside. This is a very easy one. If you just follow along with my like the YouTube, it's so easy to make. So that's the top. This is from a die cut. I do love the paper pad. It's so pretty. Colors are pretty. And that's the another side. I add like a little embellishment. I think I showed you how to make this, and then put like a little nice words on the front and the back. You can add whatever you want. And then an enamel dot, that's a die cut. And so this is the first page. There's a packet in here, and I was gonna add like envelope in here, actually this one, but I thought, you know what, I want to show the paper, just beautiful, so I just add die cut. And then this is a packet. It can hold a lot of stuff. I think the middle is the ones that hold a lot of stuff. I add embellishment, and then this one is I no idea what they call, but I call it holder, so it can hold more goodies. Just gonna take that out so I can show you. That's the one. And then there's another packet in here that holds more, or you could put your love letter if you are swapping or giving it to like someone as a gift or something. I have a swap before where I swap flipbooks, which is I enjoyed getting them and sending them. Okay, let's just put this back. Whoopsie. There you go. There. So yeah, that's about it. I hope you enjoyed the video. I know I fast forward a lot because I think for new YouTubers it's only like 15 minutes for one video, and kind of like I just wanna get everything in one video. If you have questions, you can send me a message. If you like the video, please put a like it, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel.